Here's to nights we don't remember, with friends we won't forget. Yeah, I'd do it all again if I could. So pour me one more drink, bartender. Let's raise a glass to it. Here's to nights we don't remember, with friends we won't forget. Well, I've been around the same old towns from here to Tennessee, but no one ever gets me quite like home, where all my roots and all I am is where I'm meant to be. The people and the places I come from. Here's to nights we don't remember, with friends we won't forget. Yeah, I'd do it all again if I could. So pour me one more drink, bartender. Let's raise a glass to this. Here's to nights we don't remember, with friends we won't forget. Mom's not home, so we got some of all our favorite beer. Pretended it was better than it was. Young and dumb, the man we love to live beyond our years. Kids who never thought of growing up. Here's to nights we don't remember, with friends we won't forget. Yeah, I'd do it all again if I could. So pour me one more drink, bartender. Let's raise a glass to this. Here's to nights we don't remember, with friends we won't forget. Here's to nights we don't remember, with friends we won't forget.
Birthday, Tito Kim. Ingat. Love you. Ingat.
Happy birthday, kapatid. Ingat palagi, Ken. Enjoy mo. Stay happy and good health palagi. Thank you, King E. Gana-gana. May pala ka palalo. God bless.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! More birthday to come.
Sana.
Birthday.
Sana nakaka-birthday lahat. Bakla, ano mo?
Happy birthday. We love you.
I love you so much, darling, my baby, my baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Kimi. Wishing you many more candles to blow and may all your wishes come true. I'm glad that you were born because you are a gift to your friends, relatives, family, co-workers, and to the world. Love, happiness, and a day full of joy for you to your birthday. And I just want to take this time to say thank you for your kindness and generosity. Happy birthday again, and thank you for these notes.
Happy birthday, Mami Kim! Wish you all the best. Always take care. And continue to inspire others as you inspire us. We love you and I will always miss you. God bless!
Maring Kim, at ayun na nga, birthday mo na. Happy birthday sa'yo. Nawa ay mag-enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your love life. Stay healthy. Maging happy lang palagi. And nawa ay maging successful ka sa dream na gusto mong makamit sa buhay mo. And nandito lang kami mga beshi. Always for you. And I love you always.
Hi, Mi, Mamshi, Beshi, Kimi, happy birthday. Alam mo, isa ka sa pinagkakatiwalaan ng tao. At alam kong ikaw ay isa ko sa maaasahan. Kaibigan. Hindi na nga lang kaibigan eh. Kasi pamilya na ko eh. I love you. Sana yung happiness mo naman yung unahin mo this time. And I'm always rooting for you. No matter what happened. Kaibigan mo ako pag alis dito sa Taiwan. Yeah, kami ng Beshies, tayo ng Beshies. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At mahal na mahal kita. Alam ko, salamat. And also makakaasa kami na kung kailangan mo ng isang taong makakausap, always just one call away lang. Alam mo yan. I love you.
Happy birthday, kapatid. Ano ba? Dakal salamat kayong friendship. Dakal salamat kayong eganagana. I know, totoo na ka, pero I know na totoo kang masaya. Basta man na eta isasabi for years pa ita make it. I know na I can call you anytime, like 24/7. Wish ko mo naman kaya guys, be happy and good health always. And balo ko na dreams and goals mo matutupad na siya. So, continue and always praise the Lord.
Happy birthday, Kimi. Be well, be blessed, and be wise, please. Mahal kita palagi. I miss you.
Hey Kim, happy birthday. Wishing you a fabulous birthday. Surrounded by love and joy. And everything that makes you smile. You deserve everything today, not only today, every day and always. Always here for you. Love you, brother.
Brother, kapatid, kumpare, Kim, happy birthday. Thank you kayang friendship ka mo. 35 na ka naman. May tuwa na ka na naman. Happy birthday, brother. Keep safe always. Love you.
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi and God bless you always.
Miss ka na namin.
Sana magkita-kita pa rin tayo.
Love you.
Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Joy!
Hi, Mami Kim! Happiest and blessed birthday! Wishing you nothing but love and happiness. Deserve mo lahat ng blessing and happiness na meron ka ngayon kasi napakabuti mong tao. May the Lord always bless you and guide you sa lahat ng mga plans and goals mo sa buhay. Thank you sa friendship, Mami Kim. Super love na love kita. Enjoy your day. I love you so much, Mami. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Kim. Yan. Yung birthday mo, wish ko sana maging masaya ka. Ma-enjoy mo yung celebration mo. Good health, tsaka good future. Yan. Thank you sa pag-accept sa pagiging ninong. Yan. Cheers!
Kimberly, happy birthday. Alam mo naman na love kita. Thanks for everything.
Happy birthday, Kimi! Bawas-bawasan ang sungit at may jowa ka na.
Hi, Kim. Happy birthday sa'yo. God bless you always. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, me. Thank you for everything. Alam mo na yun. I love you.
Hello, Kim. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sana mahabang buhay. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Good health and God bless. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Babs. Power.
Happy birthday, Beshi Kim.
Happy birthday, me. Love you.
Happy birthday, sis.
Hi, Kimi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, man.
Happy Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Once again,
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday, Sex Mom Kim! Happy birthday, Kim! Happy birthday, Mari Kim!
Happy birthday, Ate Kimi!
Happy birthday, Kimi! Happy birthday, Kimi!
Happy birthday, Kim!
Happy birthday, Kim!
Happy birthday, Kim!
Happy birthday, Mami Kim! Happy birthday, Kim! Love you, Happy
Happy birthday, Kim!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Once again,
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey, 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 hey.